Hi, this is two-door interlocking system, display type complete set. Now I'll explain how to install this one. This is the controller, two-door controller, and this is for one door and this is for second door. In this one you will get one 4-core cable and one 8-core cable. 4-core cable for magnet, electromagnetic lock, and this is for keypads, emergency and display keypads. Now these are two connectors for two doors, and you will have 8-pin element connector 2 and 2 emergency buttons. Only one emergency is enough for inside of the door, but we are providing 2 emergency connectors. If you require 2 emergency, you can keep 2 emergency or leave it one, and 1 emergency is enough for one door inside. So I am connecting the connector. This is the connector. I am connecting this one. Okay, now I have connected, and this is for one door. See, for keypads I have connected the keypads connectors, and this is the 4-core cable for electromagnetic lock. For each door you will get one 4-core cable like this. In this one I will show you the electromagnetic lock. This is 600 lbs EM lock. 2 magnets you will receive, and sticker and installation armature for bush and screws, and this is the armature with inbuilt sensor. And this sensor you should match here like this. The sensor will be here and here, so cable side will be sensor. So we have to match this while installation the electromagnetic lock. And now you can observe 4 wires here, 2 white wires and red and black. So we have to connect these 4 wires to this 4-core cable. Red wire to red wire, red wire to red wire, black wire to black wire, and yellow blue wire is there. You can give it any white wire. I am just connecting this wire, red wire to red wire, and black wire to black wire, and blue wire to one white wire. Any white wire you can give it, optional. This is an optional connection sensor. And yellow wire to one white wire. So connection is completed for one magnet. I am just giving magnet for one door only. The same will be second door. And just sensor, I am placing the sensor here, cable side with proper fitting. Now this is a display keypad for one door. For one side I have connected one display, and second side I am connecting second wire. And emergency I am connected, and this emergency, this is for one door, and same will be same like this. One display one side, second display for second side of the second door, and emergency. This is a 2-pin connector. Now I have connected, and second magnet I have not connected. It is like same first door only. So now we have on the system. Now you can observe the indication go, and this will show second door will also show you go, and the magnet, both the magnets will be locked. See. Okay, now I want to go from first door. I am pressing this door. Go. I have pressed this button and we have pressed this door. So go is blinking and other door is showing wait. So if I open this door, the door is open, and I am closing this again, it is locked. So again I am doing this. I have to open the first door, I have to press this button, and second door will be wait and first door will be unlocked. And if I press this button also, the second door will not be open until the first door is closed. So I am closing this. Now see, it is closed now. Again I am doing for emergency. I am opening the first door. In case of emergency, if this door is open but second door will not be open, so in case of emergency, any situation, you can press this emergency button and both the indication will blink like this, and for 10 seconds that both doors will be open. You can open physically and you can move in immediate time, and this is still showing because it is not censored. So door is closed and system is now normal condition. Same like this. Now I am pressing the second door. See, first door is showing wait and second door is in go condition. So if I sense this one, I will sense physically. I am sensing the sensor physically here. No, this is normal. I have sensed this button. This is a 2-door controller. One note is there. I am turning off the system. The note is, if you have a panel, so you have to cut this wire here, connector. Cut this wire and you have to keep this wire into the panel. After that, what you can give as per color code, you can join these wires. If it is a civil, you can directly give a casing or through chipping, so you can give directly this one. But don't go to cut here only. Don't choose this color coding will be it is you can do it, but as per color code it will be difficult if you go any other option. But this is the best option for this one. We are providing one connector, so you have to cut here and there will be 8 wires here. If you want to cut or any for installation, if you cut this wire, same you have to give as per color code. So there will be some VCC 5 volts, and our system is for keypads or 5 volts operation. In flame proof areas we are providing 5 volts. Some of companies are providing 12 volts or 24 volts. That will be not so suggestible for flame proof areas, but this is suggestible for any areas. Thank you.